AI is taking over the video editing world. It's also taking over the world in general. I'm gonna tell you all the things you can use AI for with video editing. For every AI trend, I'll tell you the best way or the best tool I've found to do it. The first AI video editing trend is AI background removal. So before you needed to have a green background if you wanted to cut yourself or an object out of the frame. Now you can just throw it into RunwayML and select the object that you want to be isolated, and AI takes over and cuts the entire background out for you. AI-powered motion tracking. Final Cut Pro does this really well. I have a tutorial, I'll link it below on how to use it. It's so easy. AI auto captioning. A lot of short form content needs captions to perform really well. When you put captions on your videos, it just makes them much more accessible to a wider audience. CapCut and YouTube are my two favorite services for captioning. The next one is color grading. A lot of people are color grading using AI. Final Cut Pro just rolled out a feature where you can just kind of one click and it fixes your coloring for you. This next trend I'm obsessed with, and it's long videos to short using AI. One of the challenges of making content is honestly posting on all of these different platforms. I totally recommend CapCut for long form to short videos. This next one is super valuable if you don't have a professional microphone. It's like the step that you can do before getting a professional mic. AI can remove the background noise from your videos and isolate your voice to make it sound a lot more professional in just one click. In Final Cut Pro, this has been a feature for the last couple years, but I feel like they keep adding things and improving it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. I make videos every 2 weeks on video editing, storytelling, all that kind of stuff. So I will see you guys back here in 2 weeks.